قريتنا ويضربون عليها الغاز والمطاط
بعد قرار ترامب المشؤوم. كما ترون يقتحم الاحتلال القرية، يطلق الكثير من الأعيرة النارية.
My name is Dana Jihad. I'm 11 years old and I'm the youngest journalist in the world. I read a lot and I see news a lot about what is happening, about the situation that happens in Palestine.
هلا كيفك؟ شفت الأسعار؟ اوعى تطلعي
I started doing that thing when I was 7 years old, when I saw that there's not enough journalists to cover the things that happens in Palestine. So I said to myself, I should not be that journalist who cover those things and to be the voice of the Palestinian children. I think we as Palestinian children doesn't live our childhood because of that occupation. I have experience when they just came and arrested and killed my uncle just near me. I saw the blood on the street. I also saw my friends getting injured, my friends getting arrested, even if they're children.
القدس عربية! القدس عربية! شو شعورك وانت بتقتل بأطفال صغار وانت بتسلب بحرية ناس وانت بتخوف أولاد صغار يعني؟ I am a child with something to say.
You know, I like journalism because it can send my message in a very perfect and true way. My camera is my weapon of truth.
And Palestine will be Palestine, not Israel. Give us a chance.
We want everybody to stand with Ahad Tamimi because the Israeli occupation soldiers and forces just came before 4 days and arrested her from her house. After 10 years, you know, I see myself as a very successful journalist, studied in the University of Harvard, cover what is happening here. Of course, Palestine will be free, but I will still cover the children that will suffer like our suffering.
Jana Jihad, Palestine, Nabi Saleh. Jana Jihad, Palestine, Nabi Saleh.
من هنا نرسل رسالتنا، رسالة العزة، رسالة الصمود ورسالة البقاء من قرية النبي صالح جنى جهاد فلسطين المحتلة.